A big boat carrying more than 110 people capsized after it was hit by a speedboat that belonged to the Navy. This incident led to the killing of 13 people losing their lives and also some of them being injured. Now this incident occurred at around 3:55 p.m. in the evening when the boat was heading from Mumbai's iconic Gateway of India to Elephanta Cave, while at 3:55 p.m. it was hit by a speeding boat when it was about to reach Elephanta Caves. Now, as per the information that has been reported by the Mumbai Police, the BMC, as well as an official statement that has been released by the BMC, as well as the Navy, states that around 110 people were there on board along with the crew members additionally being present, after which after the boat lost its control, after it was hit by a speeding boat, it led to people drowning. However, they were informed immediately to put on their life jackets, yet their lives could not be saved and 13 people lost their life, including women and small children. This incident has raised severe concern, and now the Chief Minister of Maharashtra, Devendra Fadnavis, has stated that a high-level inquiry will be ordered in the matter to understand what exactly transpired for this major tragic incident happening when people had come to Mumbai to roam with their family. Some of them had come to Mumbai for the first time, and this was their first ride from Gateway to the Elephanta Caves. Now also the Chief Minister here has announced an ex gratia of 5 lakh rupees, as well as the BMC has now stated that an immediate concern as well as inquiry must be ordered, and the Mumbai Police has already started its probe into the matter. The Navy too has stated that it will take action against the people who were present on the speedboat. And while it is being told that this was a boat that was in practice, and while it was practicing, it led to this strike happening, and also after which it hit that big boat, which was a wooden boat carrying more than 110 people, and it sank into the sea. But what raises even more severe concern is that a speedboat that belonged to the Navy, with officials being present on it, how could it not control itself and eventually hitting out a boat carrying people who had come here to roam? And why was the speedboat in that particular area where people usually head to go to the other end of the sea, that is the Elephanta Cave? While the Mumbai Police currently is investigating the matter, more than 13 people losing their lives has raised even bigger concerns. If we speak about Gateway of India, a place from where people usually take boat rides either to get a view of the sea or be to traveling to places like Alibag, Mandvi Beach and Elephanta Caves. And while this boat was heading to Elephanta Caves, the entire journey started at 3 p.m. and at around 3:55 the incident occurred. The Navy at this point in time has clarified itself, stating that the speedboat belonged to them. But why was there no control over the speedboat, which eventually hit the big boat, is now a bigger scare for people. And what remains to be seen is that what action is being taken not only by the Navy but also by the Mumbai Police to ensure that such incident is not repeated, which directly concerns people's life. And also the boat had not only elderly people but women, young children, a 3-year-old kid too was present onto the boat. So this has led to severe concerns taking place. At this point in time, people have been rescued, and the 99 of them who have been rescued are being treated at different hospitals in Mumbai. And also once it was found out, as per the videos that are being surfaced, the people were drowning, and immediately the boats that were present around that drowning boat, they immediately rushed to ensure that people are rescued on their boats. However, some of them had already succumbed to these incident, and after which they were taken to the hospital but they were declared brought dead. However, the ones who have survived, they are being treated at several hospitals. They were taken out with several exits from that of Navi Mumbai as well as JNPT, the Bhaucha Dhakka and the Gateway of India, for which several joint search operation committees had come out, where it included the boats of the fisheries around the Navi Mumbai team too sent out their boats to ensure that the rescue operations were happening at a fast pace. However, 13 people lost their life, raising severe concern, where the government now too has expressed their grief for this incident. What remains to be seen is that how action is being taken upon to ensure that this incident is not repeated, and what guarantees the safety of people coming here with their families to take a ride and enjoy a view of the sea. But eventually, for 13 people, it became the last ride of their life. With video journalist Kalpesh, Ms. Sujata Dwivedi for NDTV 24/7.